In front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this POCO device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on Additional Settings. Over here you need to select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then select Theme section over here and scroll down. Now you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available options. And when you're ready, tap on the best one for you. Then you can manage keyboarders by choosing this switcher and save your keyboard by tapping on Apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of mine has changed. If you want to, you can always go back into the same settings, swipe up and customize your theme by choosing this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to set up. If you can't find it over here, you need to click on those three lines at the top left corner, select one of those sections, like Downloads, and click on the photo from here. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to choose Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and click on Done. Now manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to change your keyboard, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon in order to edit, and make your changes. Now choose Apply again, and when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!